stop packing for a second. If you are coming to Bangkok for the Thailand Latin Extravaganza this week, there are 3 major updates you need to know. The situation in Bangkok is different right now due to the mourning period and new entry rules. Ignoring this could get you fined or stuck at immigration. First and most important, the dress code. As you may know, Thailand is in a mourning period for Her Majesty Queen Sirikit, the Queen Mother who passed away in October. The 90-day public mourning period ends on January 22nd. This means your festival dates fall directly during this time. The rule: when you are in public, malls, streets, or temples, please wear polite, subdued colors: black, white, gray, or navy blue. Save your neon, sequins, and bright festival outfits for inside the venue or the hotel. If you go sightseeing, cover up and dress respectfully. Second, immigration. The old paper arrival card is gone. You must fill out the TDAC, Thailand Digital Arrival Card, online before you fly. You can only register within 72 hours of your flight. If you don't do this, you will be delayed at the airport. We've put the official link in the description. Do it now. Third, alcohol rules. There's good news and bad news. The good news is the afternoon alcohol ban has been lifted. You can now buy drinks at 7-Eleven or supermarkets between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. The bad news is police are strictly enforcing laws on where you drink. Do not drink in front of temples, parks, or gas stations. The fine is 10,000 baht. That's $300. Keep the party inside the bars and the festival venue.
Lastly, you might hear rumors about a 300 baht entry fee. Most reports say this starts in February, so you should be safe. However, keep 300 baht in cash on you just in case they start early. Bangkok is welcoming and safe, but let's show respect during this mourning period. Dress polite in the streets, dance your heart out at the venue. Check the links below and see you at TLE.